Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. One of our favorite platforms, Paxful, has integrated Lightning Network. This is amazing news. If you don't know what Lightning Network is, I'm going to explain it here briefly. This is a good explanation on Cointelegraph. Okay, the Lightning Network is a second layer added to Bitcoin blockchain that allows off-chain transactions between parties not on a blockchain network. Multiple payment channels between parties or Bitcoin users make up the second layer. A Lightning Network channel is a two-party transaction method in which parties can make or receive payments from each other. Layer 2 enhances the scalability of blockchain applications by managing transactions outside the blockchain. Okay? While still benefiting from the mainnet's powerful decentralized security paradigm. So, Lightning Network speeds up Bitcoin transactions. Okay, when you are transacting with Bitcoin and you have Lightning Network integration, it is going to be much faster because transactions are taking place off-chain. This is a very, very powerful development for Paxful. Okay, if you've seen my 7-figure Rolodex, Paxful is part of it. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see Paxful here as my recommended P2P exchanges. Paxful is an amazing peer-to-peer exchange. If I click on it here, you'll be able to see you can buy, you can sell crypto peer-to-peer and receive payment in any of these over 350 different methods. Okay, so this is an absolute game changer because the transactions are going to have Lightning Network integrated. Okay, this is amazing news. This is big news. This deserves to be everywhere. Okay, this is astronomical news for Bitcoin transactions with Paxful. Okay, peer to peer. Now, Paxful is very, very big in Africa. I think it's really one of the biggest peer-to-peer platforms in Africa. Okay, and it's growing. It really is growing, and now with this integration, it really is going to go to the moon. So if I scroll down, just going to read through some of this. Paxful, the leading global peer-to-peer fintech platform, today announced its global integration on the Lightning Network. Over 7 million Paxful users will now be able to leverage the power of the Lightning Network, a system built on top of the Bitcoin network. The Lightning Network allows users to transfer Bitcoin in a matter of seconds with much lower fees. This new feature seamlessly blends into Paxful's platform and enables the company to keep user fees lower than traditional Bitcoin transactions. When users send or receive Bitcoin through the Lightning Network with their Paxful wallet, their Bitcoin balance is used the same way as if they would transfer it on the Bitcoin network. All transactions are processed in seconds, and Paxful users can utilize the Lightning Network for both transactions with other individuals and to pay for goods or services. Think about this. Paxful is using now the Lightning Network, and transactions are going to be lightning fast. Okay, this is something that people need to really be talking about. This needs to spread because peer-to-peer transactions are powerful all around the world, especially in Africa. Okay, Ray Youssef, the CEO and co-founder of Paxful, said Bitcoin is hands down the best financial option for the people who really drive economies forward. But in order for it to succeed and usher in global adoption, we need to overcome the issue of scale. That is very true. Scale is needed, okay? And this is going to definitely scale, especially with the peer-to-peer transactions. The industry's greatest chance of Bitcoin scalability is through Lightning, which makes micropayments exceedingly cheaper and faster. Buying a coffee with Bitcoin will now be a realistic option. Consumers, businesses, and even banks are looking for a way to connect the world together, and we fully anticipate Lightning to deliver. We're honored to be one of the first peer-to-peer platforms to offer this technology to our users. It's a true service aimed at financial freedom. If you're not signed up to Paxful, I suggest you get yourself signed up with Paxful. Okay, get signed up with Paxful. Okay, because you're going to be able to take advantage of lightning fast transactions. Okay, you're going to be able to transact with Bitcoin lightning fast with low fees, and you're going to be able to buy and sell crypto here. Okay, for whatever you want. Okay, this is really, really powerful. It really is exciting to see, and I'm so glad to be partnered with Paxful with this. Okay, if you're interested, click the link in the description. You're going to be taken to this page where you can click here to get started with Paxful. I suggest you do. You check it out. You know, if you want to buy Bitcoin, you can buy it from here. Okay, I suggest you do this. This is definitely the best news that I've heard in the last few months when it comes to peer-to-peer and Bitcoin. Okay, I'm a big believer in peer-to-peer transactions, a big believer in unbanking the banked and putting them into crypto. Okay, I'm a big believer in it. I'm a big believer in peer-to-peer transactions, and this is a game changer. If you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe. Please click the bell icon to be reminded of new videos whenever I upload them. I'm going to leave the link to my 7-figure Rolodex in the description. I'm also going to leave the link directly to the Paxful presentation as well, where you can learn how to use Paxful here. Definitely get started. Definitely read up on what's going on with Paxful on Lightning Network, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.